Anytime a youth a get a rise, him always get a fight. Remember, you see greatness, if it come easy, it never go nice. So people, we get to understand say, Quada done get charged for murder and arson, and it don't really look good upon the DJ. I mean, him can't really do nothing about it, because him don't get charged for it already. The only thing them can do right now are the lawyer them for try and get him out, get him bail as quick as possible. You see me? But my question to you is, how much of them politicians you hear the things and them never got jail for it? But look how much dancehall artists where them claim say do things and got jail for it. We are gonna talk about that coming up.
Big Macky level travel pon the front seat, and me a give the whole light inna your front teeth. This soup see my gap on the cold concrete. Plus him get a pretty gift named Coffin and Reed.
Why you sell a soul to the killing them?
Dream life, 10 cars, 3 bikes. Don't tell about supreme life, man. Rock Gucci, what I feel like. You know they see me with this, so been a dream, so I'm most rich. Rocking up the place and all them used to say what this. Oh yeah, me nah no feelings, I can't touch this. That's why me driving the car in top.
Yeah, Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
Walla vibes.
So first, me make this clear. Me nah defend no dancehall artist, and me nah defend no politician. Me a defend justice. So if you're a dancehall artist, if you do the crime, believe me, you have to go do the time in my eyes. And for the politician them, well, them been a do the crime, but still not do the time. Me not really understand that. You see me? How much politician you hear get tied to this a gang, them tied to that the gang there. You see me? Some of the gang members or the gang leaders them where them tied to gone to jail, but them walk scotch free. And them know about them things here. Anyway, me now straight from the point. So Quada done get himself in an unfortunate situation. And me not like it. But remember them say prison don't build for dog. So people, the argument on the street and the argument where everybody attack, and this is the reality. Shante Skyers, them kill her last year. You see me? Gruesome death she get. Me not go to explain the death where she get, but just know say she get a wicked death. And the community did accuse a man who say him kill Shante. And the community mob that man, beat him to death and burn down him house. You see me? Now me I go make this clear. You can't bash me in the comment section. But you see, if that man was indeed Shante Skyers killer, in my eyes, and this is my eyes, him get when deserve jungle justice. You see me? But if he's not Shante's killer, boy, John Star, that would be a very unfortunate situation. And more to understand this, me nah say it's right for jungle justice, And we will ever say this. Don't really right for jungle justice, I'm gonna support violence. But sometimes there's a place for violence. So people, even though me say all of that, me don't support the mob killing and taking the law in a year hand. Because a situation can come up where you kill the wrong person, you kill the wrong man. Even though we see it happen every day when the same justice system send the wrong man a jail, send the wrong man a prison. You see me? But watch your style now. Me never hear about a politician a got jail. You hear about them have case, and you hear say them do this, and you hear say them do that. But what them do? Them take themselves out of that particular position where them in. So for instance, if a them did a run maritime, them left from maritime and then go up a JC. You see me? And if them get caught up a JC, them just probably quit and start all a big business and nobody not really hear about them. Remember, a whole heap of allegation, a whole heap of things going on. I tell me say, all of them allegation there, where politician them get, none of them not true. Alright, watch that style now. How much dancehall artists here. I get charged for murder. I get charged for this. I get charged for that. Me nah say them not do it, you know. But you see all of the dancehall artists them we get charged, them watch them case they closely and them try them hard. What me say? Them try them case they hard, them try them case they no miss a loop. But the politician them, we just sweep it under the rug. And people, may I say this again, me nah defend Quada Dan. Me nah defend no politician. Me nah defend nobody. If you do a crime, you have to do the time. And me still not really, jungle justice, me not really, me nah go say me not support it, but dog, jungle justice just different. A whole heap of jungle justice we see happen. You see me? A whole heap of things we see go on. Sometimes a wrong person dead. As I say already, we see wrong person go to jail too. You see me? But it rough pan Quada Dan. Me I hope say Quada Dan just go and hold the faith. You see me? Me I hope say him lawyer forward through because today when me I do the recording right now at Thursday. So you know say tomorrow Friday. So you know say if him not get no bail tomorrow, he must stay in there for weekend until Monday. And I saw it go on and on and on and on. You see me? But this is how we want the police them and the justice system for do. You see the same energy you put in for prosecute Quada Dan, because remember the murder year go on from 1 year ago. More wanna put in the same energy when you hear the politician them corrupt, when you hear the politician them mix up. Put in the same energy there in a them case there. You see me? We don't want no more of them politicians here walk free. More under pressure the politician them the same way under pressure the dancehall artists them. And people, me say this again, it's not like me I defend the dancehall artists them. But anytime the dancehall artists them slip, all when them not slip, them end up slide. All when them walk on water, the water drop them. You get what me I say? Quada Dan, I just prayers I go up for you. And it's an unfortunate situation. So you go just hold it, hope and pray, say everything work out for the best. We are going to give you the update on the case here, because we are watching it closely, closely we are watching it. Because we hear one next argument say the person where the eyewitness, where them claim say them have as eyewitness, me here said that person is of unsound mind. People may not know what truth it is. You see me? In the media I come. It in our loop news yesterday. So the person is of unsound mind. So the hombre we dead is of unsound mind. And the witness is of unsound mind. It look like an unsound case. Anyway, still, it's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And people, if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like on the video. Don't forget to comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about Quada Dan being in jail, and let me know what you think about these politicians who continue to walk free and just a thief taxpayer money, sit down, and when them retire, them go build big mansion and have big business, and we there are suffer same way. Let me know what you think about that. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and remember, one way, any other way, the wrong way.
One shot, big up the man. You know, say I be a bad man in the jam. Baby, so drive by in the missing van. Who are violated with a bust them head down, bumbo clap, Morocco and next time. You know, say me never feel no man. You know, say official do one thing in a hand. Right now, me I go calm down myself. One by one. Listen. What the bad man, you know me no be it. Who put your marrow down in me granny plate if they ever violate chat about in your face. Alright, one shot. No exam time. Louis, 10 go fi 10 block 9. 4 violate, gunshot choke through head top, go through all the central spine. You know say, me never yet afraid of no man, so me calm down me song drive by for this one. And no Wiz Khalifa about the Taylor gang. You know say I to the Kingston. Next thing, 1+1, gun in a big hand. Boss boy head, calm me no afraid of no man. Rise up my blood clot guns and they hear yow, and no popcorn slogan. So you know say me never wrong, we will drive by in a big van, circle your ends and little boy, you claim say you name essential. Tell me now, who you fuck another man?